This is Affluence Place Property, and we are into building construction and real estate investment. So this is the high time for you to invest, buy into properties, and invest your money wisely. The world most richest people now are into real estate. So it's high time you invest in the real estate. Real estate is the only thing that is real when it comes to investment. So we are available to work for you in your real estate investment. You just reach out to us, DM us. We'll advise you on the best property to buy in Lagos and within Nigeria. So reach out to us, secure a deal. Thank you.